Hi, I am Bijay. I'm 19 years old youth from Pokhara, Nepal. I am an engineering student involved in robotics and building machines. Every time when I fail, I always ask myself a question that are my excuses more important than my dreams? No. Then being more passionate and having eager inside, I get back to my work. My journey into robotics and other inventing machines started as earlier as I was at grade 8. The first thing I have ever invented was the portable fan. During my high school, I have invented a smart house system, a drone, a water rocket, and water rocket launcher. I have invented many things by that time. At that time, many people inspired me and gave me inspiration to move forward. And after that, I joined Pokhara University, and my true passion begins. After joining the Pokhara University for further my engineering studies, I have made Mr. Multipurpose Robot in 3 days and 4 nights. That robot won the entire competition by beating 30 other senior teams, and where I was with my solo project. After then, my multipurpose robot even won the province 4 level first engineering exhibition. After multipurpose robot, I invented Mag Robot, which can be used in agriculture, household, and as well robotics. I'll give the link in the description of these robots so you can get up to them. And after the Mr. Mag Robot, I invented Kite Robot, which I exhibited in Kathmandu University, and I won the entire competition. The main thing about my robots are I usually made them by going to scraps and garbage centers. So here I collect the stuffs related to the project and I build robots because I didn't have sufficient money to buy a new product, so that I usually go to garbage centers and to collect some stuffs related to my projects, and then I put my time and put my money and put my hard work into it, and I build the robot. After that, I inaugurated the International Youth Conclave with the Department of Foreign Minister, Mr. Pradeep Gyawali. I was selected as a top 20 finalist of Global 2020, which selects the fantastic youths all over the Nepal, and I was one of them at the age of 17. My plan is to remove this waste from my city. Here I am with my new project that I am building one electric vehicle that you can see just behind me, that this vehicle will collect the garbage, and I am giving employment to many people in my city, that local people, and I am giving the employment to my local people. After building this device, then this device will collect, and this device is will be completely electric, and then this device will have container in it which will collect this kind of bottle and solve the major problems of our city. This kind of bottle and the other beer bottles are causing the major effects in our city. Like these products are thrown at the many places, and these kind of bottles are increasing many pollutions in our city. The main thing is about the beer bottle waste. The beer bottle waste once thrown in dirty places, and once they are mixed with the water, they will create dengue, and these dengues are affecting the many human lives in the Pokhara. These kind of trash are also affecting the nature beauty of our city. For this project of waste collection, nobody is supporting me, even my family, even my friends, even my colleagues, nobody is supporting me, and all the thing I want is a financial support, but to turn my idea into reality. And due to the lack of the money, I am using this old controller kit, and I regularly go to garbage center to collect something stuff related to my project and invest my time, invest my income into this project to bring revolution in my project. My plan is to collect the plastic waste and beer bottle waste and to supply to the recycling companies all over the Nepal. The main thing is the pollution created by these plastics. The pollution will decrease, and I will do in such a way that the waste will be managed properly and they will not cause many effect to the human lives. My depot stations will be cleared, or the depot stations. I am going to solve this problem legally. Till now, I am spending a whole day on garbage centers and to collect some stuff related to my project, and then a whole night I usually work on this project. It's been 1 month when I started, and since and it's been 2 weeks that I am not able to complete my project due to the lack of the fundings, and I have already invested 400 USD, and furthermore I also need to invest something more. to complete my project, and even I have to manage the depot station to solve this problem. And even also, like, I had during my journey into robotics, and I have connections to many people which will help me to collect the garbage from the Pokhara city. And my device, that my vehicle will almost daily collect the garbages from the city, with like collect the plastic and beer bottle waste from the city, and make the city clean and green. Like, my plan is to make our city clean and green. And to complete this project, I daily have to work till the midnight and go to home. I'm struggling so hard for this, and I'm using the old stuffs. Nothing is new. I'm using the old bike tire, old motorcycle tire, and old bike tire. I'm using old aluminum frames, and I'm using old, like, metal frames, the metal square pipes. And what keeps me going is the hope that my idea will someday my idea will take place. It will remove the waste from my city, not only my city. After the successful project in my city, then I will go to Kathmandu, I will go to Nepal, and I will go to many other cities of the Nepal to solve one of the major problems of the city, that is waste, which is harming the human life so badly, that and nobody is giving the much more time in this project. Though nobody is supporting me for this project, and I came to you to share about what I am doing and what I will do in my future. Hope you have understood my all the ideas so properly, then that I don't need to elaborate it anymore. Then all the thing that I need is support from you to bring something new and to bring revolution in my country. Thank you.